One of the first terms we're going to learn is eye level. Now, eye level, as you'll see on page 27, is the distance your eyes are above the ground plane. The ground plane, obviously, is simply the ground, and the eye level is the level of your observation point or your station point above ground level. So you can see this creates a plane, a horizontal flat plane emanating from the eyes of the viewer. We call this eye level. So from the station point out, completely horizontal and parallel to the ground. The cone of vision refers to the approximately 60-degree angle that the human eye is capable of seeing from one stationary position or station point. Everything within this 60-degree angle, and that's up, down, left, right, all in this cone, will be accurately represented. This is basically the picture plane, is what we are capable of seeing without turning our heads or changing our view in any way. So from one stationary position, what we see, all encompassing our eyesight, is our cone of vision. When we tilt our head up and down, our cone of vision moves with us. Our eye level remains straight horizontal from the eyes, and our picture plane remains completely perpendicular to our eye level. The whole thing moves with us as we tilt our heads up and down. So what's a horizon line? Horizon line and eye level are basically interchangeable terms, although there are slight differences when we talk outdoor scenes or indoor scenes. Quite literally, the horizon line is where the sky seems to meet the earth, or where the sky seems to meet the ocean or water. Now, the horizon line is quite obvious when we're outdoors or in a very open scene, open setting. But a lot of the times, most of the times in fact, the horizon line is going to be hidden from our view, but it's still there. The horizon line will move up and down in the composition when we change our eye level. If our eye level drops, say we're laying on the ground or we're at a lower level than standing, our horizon line is going to be lower on the picture plane. And the opposite, if we're looking from an elevated station point, the horizon line is going to move up in the composition. Determining the horizon line in our cone of vision can be very important because it will tell us a lot about the subjects we are viewing. Objects below the horizon line, you'll be able to see the top plane as well as the front plane, obviously. Objects right on the horizon line, you will not see the top plane or bottom plane. And objects above the horizon line, the bottom plane will be visible. Similar concept applies when we talk about the center of vision, and that is what's in the middle of our overall cone of vision and how objects relate to our center of vision. When an object is on the right of our center of vision, we're going to see the left planes of that object. When it's on the left, obviously it's opposite. If an object bisects the center of vision, we are not going to see the side planes at all.